Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a very soft and fluffy whole wheat bread that you will love and enjoy with your family, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and also share, and please note I'll be listing all the ingredients and the quantities in the description box down below. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine warm milk, yeast, salt, brown sugar, and mix well to combine. Next, add the whole wheat flour. I'm using 4 cups of wheat flour. Mix and add 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm using unsalted butter because I've already added some salt at the beginning. So I'll go ahead and mix it well to combine. So I'll gradually add some more milk, and I'm using 1.5 milk at this point. Next, transfer it on a flat surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. You can also use your bread mixer if you have it available. It will make it more easier for you. And please, if you are watching until this far and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and also share. So continue to knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes elastic. And as you can see, it's very smooth and stretchy at this point. Next, I'll continue to transfer it into a greased bowl. I will cover and let it sit in a warm place for about half an hour for it to rise. At this point, grease your loaf pans and set them aside. So next, the dough has risen and now ready. So I'm going to go ahead and knead it for about 5 minutes and fold into a bread loaf. So what you want to do is to remove any air bubbles trapped inside the dough. So gently knead it into a bread loaf. And I'll also make the rest into dinner rolls. So next I'm going to cover and let it rest for about 1 hour to rise or proof for the second time. So at this point it has risen very nicely and it's ready to go into the oven. I have preheated my oven to about 250 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to continue to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So at this point our whole wheat bread is nicely done and ready. Brush the top with butter to prevent it from drying out. This whole wheat bread is smelling so good. It came out very nice and soft, moist, fluffy and chewy. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please, if you like and enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. So as you can see, it's very nice and soft, and I hope you give it a try. And also leave a comment down below what you think about this whole wheat bread recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.